Now, y'all, you go to Kanye West, Kim Kardashian. Shh. Y'all ready for this one? This is a family law question. It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Ali Booker. You already know what time it is. Welcome to Order in the Court. You write me, and then I answer your questions online with this show. Now, we're not going to call this legal advice because I don't represent you, and I can only give legal advice to my clients. But I'll tell you this, I'm pretty dead on with what I say. And then also, I'm pretty upfront and very direct. And I'm like that generally. I'm like a Ayala Van Zant type of individual. Normally, when you come here, I'm going to fix your whole damn life. Okay? So whatever you tell me, when you tell me something, I'm going to tell you from the gut the truth. Okay? What I can see and what I can see. Okay? So let's done. Can a non-custodial parent with strict supervised visitation move in next door on the same property? I have custody of my granddaughter, and my daughter, who's the non-custodial parent, is under strict supervised visitation, which is observed by myself only in the order. She just moved in with my parents yesterday on the same property and is 100 feet away. This would be against the order, wouldn't it? Girl, yes, yes, yes. I have clients that are grandparents, just like yourself. I can't say any name, can't tell you anything because it's confidential, but I think that they son thought he was going to do the same shit. I had to let him know, bitch, if you don't get your ass on down that motherfucker road, sir, if you was suck, suck, if you don't gallop back, gallop your ass, and you know how it is here in Texas, we sitting on land, and you may have family members, and we're all on the same road. Baby, sir, you're going to have to go on to your cousins, so you have to get on down off the family property. You got to go. Because he has a no contact order. He got worse than strict supervision. He has no contact right now. And he's like, well, I can move in on. No, you can. No, you can't. You know, you better not do that. Because one thing about Texas judges is they normally do not like. And the reason I say this is because we're very conservative. We're a conservative state, and then we're slow. You know what I mean? So the values, we still clean to our values. Said that to say this. Judges hate you don't do what the fuck they say. They like, I'm the boss. You don't recognize it, I'm gonna have to show you. And that's white, black, Asian, it don't matter. They all the same here. As far as if you play bullshit games, the prizes are gonna be the same. And I'm gonna tell you right now, ma'am, your daughter playing bullshit games, she gonna get some shitty prizes. Because when you go and you tell that judge that she is on that property, that judge is going to exclude her ass from that damn property. So what you need to do is you need to go to court and let the judge know. You need to first tell your daughter, look, baby, you know, because you want to bring it together because the bitch is she has a lot of gall and a lot of nerve. And then she went to your parents and try to play. And see, that's what people do. They go to the grandparents because the grandparents are pushovers. They're older. They looking for a grandchild to help their ass out and shit. They want to go redo shit. They scared. They don't know if the kids going to take care of them all, right? So they kind of lean towards the grandkids, you know, to try to get a little extra help if they need it, like a little extra. Can you come over here and do such and such for me, baby? So that's all your parents thinking about is that she's some help for them. But she ain't going to help their ass. Because if she done lost custody of this child, she can't raise a child, baby. She can't raise them. They damn their children. Because that's all you do is revert back. And I'm not disrespecting your parents, but I'm telling you, if she can't take care of this child to where the judge gave you custody, she cannot take care of your parents, ma'am, because you're a grandparent for her child. So we're talking about this child's great-grandparents and your parents. She's going to, first of all, she ain't going to last long over there. We're going to wait till she steals some shit, don't do nothing they tell her to do, and she'll be out of there. But that's what they're looking at. I'm telling you, you need to go let your mama know and your daddy know. And you need to tell your daughter, and you need to take your ass over there, and you need to have this conversation to let them know, look, baby, I'm not trying to start no shit, but you can't be over here. I can't tell you what you're going to do, but I can tell you that I'm going to go talk to the judge. And I believe that you're going right around this supervised order. I can't even let the baby play outside because you'll be right there trying to get her unsupervised. And there's no way that this child could go outside and play without you being there. And the reason that you have supervised visitation is because the court said you need it. So you're trying to position yourself that you can get unsupervised visitation. So you're trying to go around the court order and you try to thumb your nose up at the judge. And I'm just going to let the judge know that you thumbing. So we're just going to go tell the judge that you want to thumb some shit. And we're going to see what the judge say. And I bet you the judge will be like, oh, you think it's flag? Huh? You do. Okay. Well, let me tell you something. Man, what's your residence? You can't be within 10,000 feet of the residence. I don't know where you're going to sleep in, ma'am. The street? I don't know. But what you know, that's what the judge is going to tell us. So what you need to let her know is, baby, I'm going to politely allow you to leave. or I'm going to bring a case. And when I bring the case, I'm going to go for attorney fees because I shouldn't have to bring a case like this. You got to have common sense to understand. You need to let your parents know that they're going to be the ones putting that bill because her broke ass ain't got no money. And so she going to be begging them for help. And then you need to let them know when I get her answer, she can't come over and help y'all at all because she going to be coming to your house. Now, I'm not trying to exclude her from your house. But what the effect of it is, she going to be excluded by the time I'm done with what I need to do. More than likely, when the judge is finished, that will be the end result. That she will not be able to come within so many thousands of feet of my house and my front door. And if that's the case, and you're only a couple 100 feet or 100 feet right here, then she can't even come to your house. Before we get to this point, can you please ask her to leave? Ask her to move out. We'll give her 5 days. She needs to find somewhere else to go. Because mom, dad, I'm not trying to exclude her from your residence, but she can't be here. And y'all know that it sounds like it was going to make some sense when she offered it up to you. Boom. And you're done, ma'am. That's what you're going to have to do. And this is a sticky situation because she's putting you into it with your parents. But I can tell by that fact that she made that move to your parents' house, she is a problematic child with mental health issues. You need to make sure that her ass is supposed to stay on her mental health. You need to do that. Because I don't know if that's a part of the order, but it needs to be. She has mental health issues. I'm telling you right now, she has mental health issues. Ain't nobody in their right damn mind finna go pull some bullshit like that. And then she done whine and cry to your parents. Girl, get her checked out. And if she don't want to get checked out, you order that same judge that took her ass out of the child's life, gave you custody, and told her that she was on strict supervision. Ask that judge to order her, because they will, to make sure she stays up with her mental health, because something is not right. And you want to get to the point eventually where the child can go live with the parent. The goal is not for you to raise that child. That's never the goal. As a grandparent, that is never the goal as a grandparent, to raise the child. The goal is for you to take care of the child until the parents are able to. But it's looking like it's going to take a while for her, because right now she's upset with what happened. So she's thumbing her nose up at the judge and doing bullshit. You know, I have a case where the grandparents have been given sole custody. So the mom, in between the order, we have to get the order done. The mom hasn't authorized the grandparents to take the child to the doctor. So the child has upcoming doctor's appointments, and they're scared. They're like, we can't take the child to the doctor even though we have custody because there's no order, right? And then the mom won't sign the order. So we're at a point where we have to get the order forced and entered, but she hasn't issued authorization. And I tell clients this all the time. All of that game playing and game running and gamesmanship will get your ass ate up once the judge figures out who the gamer is and what the game is. They will, let me tell you what they will do. They are going to domino, uno, monopoly your goddamn ass into a hole. Once they realize that you're playing games, I've never seen it not happen any other way. Okay? I'm just letting you know that that's what they do. So you need to let your daughter know that that's what they do, because she got a problem. Next case, girl, I need you some extra time.
I think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.